Is Reddit down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Reddit right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Reddit right now. If you try to go on Twitter, you will see that many people are complaining with some problems at Reddit right now. So if you write down Reddit down and then if you go to latest tweets, you will find these tweets right here. Like Kelly says, 5 seconds ago, Reddit is down again. Hey, Reddit's down again, any reason? So, in conclusion, you are not the only one who has problems with Reddit right now. If you want to try to fix it, you should restart your device and see if it works. And if it doesn't, you should log out and log in once again and see if it works. If it doesn't, don't worry because like I said, you are not the only one who has this problem and Reddit will fix this as soon as possible and you just have to wait until they fix it. You can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can comment with your specific problem and I'll make sure to help you as quickly as possible. Don't forget to like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and for some more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.